Hi guys, today we will learn how we can reset the router password. Here I am using Cisco 2500 series router which has the password and I don't know the password, I forgot it. Or somehow if you're buying the old system from the market and it has the old configuration and you don't know the password for it to initialize the router. So what we do, so we have to understand the boot up process, how the router boots and what it takes when you power up. When you power up the router, it reads the IOs and it takes the configuration and then show you the prompt. I'm just explaining in a simple way, not in detail. And the second thing is it uses the register when it's loading the IOs. These two register the boot time the router use. 2102 it's normal boot, as you can read, normal router operation when the router is start up. And if we want to jump this configuration, like we want to jump this register, we enter 2142 register number and then we start the router, so it's jumped to 2102. How you can understand this, I show you. Okay, when you boot up, it's take this register 2142 which we changed and saved it, and then when router read this register after IOs, it jumps to running config and there is nothing in the router. It show you the router prompt directly and no configuration. So what we do, we copy startup configuration to running config and we change or remove the password and we copy it back to startup and we change the register, the boot register 2102, save it, and then we restart the router, so it goes to in a normal way and it's take this startup configuration which is we update it and we can see the old configuration and router prompt. Let's see how we can do it. To do this, what you have to do, when you power up the router, you have to break the boot process with control and break button. So now I am restarting my router and I'm pressing control and pass control or break button, as you can see. Here you can see I pressed control and pass and it show you this prompt. This is Roman prompt. Here you will give the command to change the register first. What command we can use here, you can see, and here we will use O/R and we give the register number what we want to change it to 142. Now it's changed. You have to restart the router. Now you can see after changing the register, when it's boot up, it is asking would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog. So we don't need to do anything. No. Here you can see it giving us the router prompt, and if we go in, there is no configuration right now and no password. So what we will do here, we will copy the startup configuration to running configuration. And if you see the show run, here you can see the password. So what we will do, we will remove it, as you can see there is no password now. So we will copy back and we will change the register. And now we will reload the router. Now you are in. See, it is not asking the password now. So there is no password in this section. So we are good to go. Thanks for watching.